Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be rating the scones that I've made. Top 5 scones, the best scones, 5 scones that I've made. So number 5 is lemon juice scones. So the ingredients are 500 gram margarine, 1 cup of sugar, 8 cups of cake flour, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, and 6 eggs, 30 milliliters of lemon juice, and 1 cup of milk. These scones are so delicious. Number 4, ultra melt scones. They are so yummy. So the ingredients are 8 cups of cake flour, 1 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, 500 gram margarine, 1 cup of emulsion, 6 eggs, and 1 cup of ultra melt vanilla custard. Number 3, these are banana scones. So the ingredients are 8 cups of cake flour, 1 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, 500 gram margarine, 4 eggs, 500 milliliters of emulsion, and 10 milliliters banana essence. Number 2, these are so yummy caramel scones. So the ingredients are 8 cups of cake flour, 8 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, 500 gram margarine, 4 eggs, 1 cup of emulsion, 10 milliliters caramel essence. My number one, these are coconut scones. They are so delicious. So the ingredients are 8 cups of cake flour, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of coconut, 500 gram margarine, 1 cup of emulsion, and 6 eggs. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below which one is your favorite, which one you have tried, was it delicious or not.